Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to see regular updates on Dubai stock market, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post such videos. If you are a regular viewer, welcome back to the channel. Dubai stock market has been falling for the last 10 days. Let us analyze market index first in detail and we check out some potential stocks. With that, let's start the video. Let's have a bigger picture of Dubai stock market. This is the weekly chart, and if we go by the price action, clearly market is making higher highs and higher lows. So we are in an uptrend. Let me show you. This was the support area. From here we moved to the upside. It came back for a small correction. From here it made a new high. Again it came back for a correction, and from here it made a new high. So what you are seeing is an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. This is by price action. Number 2, let me remove the drawings first. This green line that you are seeing is 200-day exponential moving average. This red line is 50-day moving average. Now, price or market is about 200-day exponential moving average, meaning we are still in an uptrend. So where is the support now? This is the previous swing right here. This was the resistance. Market came down from here and made a new high. So we have to mark this area. This was the previous resistance, which should now potentially act as a support. So where is the support? It's around 2743 zone. Support and resistance are areas or zones. It's not a particular price or particular number. So now let me move down to daily chart. We analyze further. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. This was the previous resistance area. From here market came down, broke the resistance, and now potentially it should act as a support. We are seeing two doji type candles right at 50-day moving averages. Averages acts as a dynamic support and resistance. Now to confirm this support, we want to see a bullish candle, at least a close about 2800 level, to confirm yes, buyers are now accumulating and now market is ready to go upside. Now previous resistance right here, that is around 2880. This zone will be the resistance. Once this zone will be broken, now this zone will act as a support. This is how the market works again and again. So this was the market index. Let's check out some stocks. Emaar Properties. It's at a very important support area. Let me mark this one. So this was the swing high, swing low, and from this swing it made a new high, got resisted, and now it's retracing to the downside. So if Emaar Properties crosses this support area, that is around 3.94, we can say it's getting weaker and now it's changing its direction from uptrend to a downtrend. Let me remove the drawings. After the breakout of this chart pattern, Emaar is now retracing. This was the breakout. It came back for a retest, could not hold the support area, and now it's coming down. It's at a very important support area. This area should hold, otherwise it will get weaker. A strong psychological and technical support is around 4.00. At the same time, it's coinciding with this red line, that is 50-day moving average. We should see a U-turn from this area, that is around 4.00. Potentially a green candle would confirm that buyers have started buying Emaar Properties again. So where will be the next resistance? This did not act as a support, but previously this was resistance. So again this area will be a resistance zone. So if you are entering at this area, your target should be 4.15. Guys, if my videos are helpful and if you are learning something out of it, please do hit the like button. It helps YouTube algorithm. Let's talk about GFH. GFH is in a strong uptrend. As you can see, this white line is support area. Previously we can see when it was trying to cross this zone, we can see long wicks at the top indicating selling pressure, meaning sellers were aggressive here. So this zone is resistance, but we can see when it broke the resistance, it's coming back for a retest, and right at the support area we are seeing nice bullish hammer candle that is also coinciding with this 20-day moving average. At the same time we are having a pattern here. This pattern is good, it's bullish. We are having a bullish engulfing pattern. This was the previous candle and this was Thursday session where it engulfed the previous candle. My entry is at 0.746 and I'm targeting at least 0.780 as this was the resistance zone, clearly indicating long wicks, meaning sellers are present here. So I would like to exit somewhere around 0.780 in tomorrow's session if the market is positive and moving to the upside. Let's see how the stock behaves tomorrow. Dubai Islamic Bank. This stock, as I always say, is very strong fundamentally and technically as well. It's in a strong uptrend. This was the support area. From here it moved to the upside, came back for a correction, made a new high. So this area is a swing low. And exactly at the same place we are seeing two bullish candles. First one is a dodgy green color and second one is also engulfing pattern. So we mark this area. Let me remove the drawings and I mark this area. So exactly at the same place we are seeing a nice bounce in Thursday's session. So if you are entering here, your target should be the previous swing high. This will be a good swing trade. In Dubai stock market, there are very few stocks where you can do intraday trading. So I'm recommending this one for a swing trade. Your entry should be right here at the opening of this candle and you should target the previous swing high, that is around 5.05. I'm not recommending any other stocks because most of the stocks are in downtrend or under tremendous selling pressure. So as of now, only these three stocks that you can look and trade with the plan. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.